How to connect to wireless Autolink. Please find and remember the Wi-Fi name and password of your new screen device. Before connection, please ensure that the Autolink option is turned on. Please scan the QR code on the screen using your mobile browser to download the Autolink Pro app. The Autolink Pro app has been successfully installed. Open the app and turn on your phone's Wi-Fi. Use the app to search for and connect to the Wi-Fi network on the new screen.